Hi, and welcome back to Dizno's Education Hub. Let's take a look at what Dizno's Shade Generator can do. Here, you can see your sidebar, where all the functionalities live, and your workspace, where your results and shade previews appear. First, you can assign a purpose to your color, primary, secondary, or any custom role you'd like. Dizno supports multiple color spaces like CMYK, OKLCH, RGB, and Hex. For this demo, let's stick with Hex and choose a random color. In the Shade Composition section, you can choose your preferred framework. This defines how your shades are calculated and displayed. Let's select Custom for full control. In steps, you can increase or decrease the number of shades up to 16, depending on how detailed you want your gradient to be. By choosing HSL, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness values to fine-tune how your shades are created. Now let's open the contrast checker. Here, you can test your shades under APCA and WCAG standards to ensure accessibility and visual balance. In the Figma Variables section, you can export your shades in JSON format for easy integration into your Figma projects. At the top of your sidebar, you can also upload a random image. This feature lets you extract shades directly from any image you upload. In your shade area, you can add or remove up to 6 different variations. And here, you can also analyze your contrast ratios in more detail and apply filters for precise adjustments. You can easily change your main shade color here, and all other shades will automatically adjust based on it. Finally, click Export. Here, you can choose between image and code formats, and by clicking Copy to Clipboard, you're ready to use it anywhere. And that's how you can build, refine, and export professional shade systems in just a few minutes using Dizno's Shade Generator. Stay tuned for more walkthroughs as we continue exploring our tools. Let's get creative.